They're not. They don't live out basically like the whole East
I
Coast.
feel like people must have, like they're out most of this area, or west, like,
Yeah.
mountain west.
I thought there was one that was like traveling from Canada. I thought there was a story.
Over now. No.
What do you think, Rowan?
Good. It looks like a river, right?
What's a frick? Frick pond.
Nice.
Yeah.
Surprised no one fell on this hill.
Yeah. Yeah. In the excitement of trying to get down the hill.
Yeah, they were going fast. I can't afford to fall right now.
No, no, you don't want that.
I was hiking 2 weeks ago. It was really rough on me.
Like spring, there was